Rather than I don't know. Okay, hi. Okay, would you like to see a magic trick? Would you like to see something? Yeah?
Yes,
Okay, yeah.
please.
Please. Okay, let's see if I got one in here. All right, I'm gonna need a volunteer for this one. Anybody? Maybe Miles? Hey, sorry. No, that's okay. That one won't work. Okay, we'll do that. We'll skip out on that one. That is a little rough. Okay, but I do need a volunteer for this one. Would you like to be a volunteer? Would you like to help? Can you help?
You can help.
Can you help? What I need you to do is grab that. There you go. Grab it. Now pull. Whoa, hang on. What's going on in here? Okay, keep pulling. You gotta keep pulling. Keep pulling. Oh my goodness, it just keeps coming. What's going on? Okay, pull more. Pull more. Oh no, oh goodness. Oh, keep pulling. You almost got it. Keep pulling. Pull. Pull one more. Oh no. Oh, my tail. Where's my tail?
Look at it like, huh?
Okay, that's my magic trick. Thank you. Good job. Let's say yay for Rosalind. Thank you. You were a wonderful volunteer. So everybody give another round.
Yay!
Thank you. Okay, now I'm going to say bye-bye.